Hello everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to bake fluffy, full of nuts, banana cake. And I'm going to use this big pot or patila without the help of electric oven. We have full cream milk, vegetable oil, sugar, melted butter, eggs, crushed Oreo chocolate biscuits, sultanas or raisins, crushed cashew nuts, desiccated coconut. This is our main ingredient, bananas, pumpkin seeds, or crushed almonds. In addition to this, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and flour. In order for our banana cake is evenly risen, we need to mix our salt, baking powder, and baking soda. We are going to mix it like this and be sure that strain it so that it is evenly mixed. We need to mix liquid ingredients first. Milk, vegetable oil, melted butter, eggs, and sugar. And then we are going to mix it. Always remember, friends, that bananas must be overripe. It looks like this. And don't put in the blender. We must use the fork to crush it in a plate. So, then we are going to put gradually our flour. And now we are going to put our dry ingredients. And that's it. Before we put our batter in the baking tray, we are going to brush with oil so that it will not stick to tray. We need to sprinkle with flour so that it will not stick our cake in our baking tray. Going to put now our batter. Always remember, friends, that in putting our batter before we put in the oven, we must put only until 3/4 of the baking tray so that it will not overflow later on. So we will bake this for 60 minutes to 70 minutes. Always remember that don't fill up our baking tray full. It should be only 3/4. Before you make your batter, always preheat your oven. Big casserole, which I am going to use now for my baking. I preheated with medium heat. Make sure to cover it tightly and we will check again after 1 hour. Time is up. Let's see now our banana cake. Wow! Perfect in color. It's risen evenly. This is now our banana cake. We will cool it down and we will slice it later. Fluffy with full of nuts banana cake. It is a perfect combination with scoops of ice cream. Friends, if you haven't watched my previous video about baking without oven, please click the link below. And once again, thank you so much for watching and I hope it helps you. And please subscribe, share, and continually watch our upcoming videos. Thank you so much and come on, let's enjoy. God bless you.